Hey everyone, it's Connor. I'm not gonna do my intro anymore because nobody gives a fuck, okay? This tweet went viral and it's from @jcoco. She took a beauty blender and cleaned it by putting it in a cup of soap and water and microwaving it for a minute. Not so sure how this works, but we're gonna find out. These are all of my dirty beauty blenders, right? I don't even know how to show them all. There's so many. Has like dog hair and shit on it because I have a lot of self-worth. This one has seen better days for sure. So I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a dog hair. I thought I would test out this little viral tweet and see if it actually works. I just feel disgusting even touching all of these. I don't know why I don't throw them away. I don't know. Don't know. Alrighty, so here we are in the kitchen. We have all of the beauty blenders here. And we have a cup, just a plastic one. I don't know if it's microwave safe. We'll find out. Alrighty, I think that's about enough water there. And they didn't say what kind of soap to use. Dish liquid detergent. It's LA's Totally Awesome. Because it was only $1 from the dollar store. That's why it's Totally Awesome. Alright, so I'm just gonna pour this in the cup. We'll see what the fuck happens. I don't know how much either. This was not a very descriptive Twitter video. Feel like I should probably stir it. It smells delicious. Oh my god, I really want to drink it. Should I try it? Don't try that. Oh shit. So we're gonna start with this one. We'll just do a little before and after. So we're just gonna plop it in there. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna pop it in the microwave. Now, it didn't say like what heat level to put it on, so like I said, it just wasn't very descriptive. And we'll see what happens. Not much happening in the microwave. After this one, dinner's ready. Just wait there, guys. I'll grab it. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god, it's hot. Ooh, did I melt the cup? Girl, it is burning hot. I have tongs. Here's my tongs. See what it looks like. Oh, wow. Okay. Hot! Oh! The water gets so fucking hot. I might do it again to this one because it's not where I want it to be. It's just not as clean as I want it to be. I'm like kneading fucking bread over here. Here's the after. Looks cleaner, but I wouldn't say it looks clean. Mine are just fucking disgusting, so. What an exhausting process. Okay, here we go. Round 2. Okay, just spilled some. Tongue time. Let's see if it got any cleaner. Okay, that one did a bit more. I forgot. Don't grab it with your hand and squeeze out all that fucking boiling water, okay? Wow, it's actually getting quite clean. See, this is just such a process. Oh my god, I'm exhausted. My arms hurt from squeezing it. Alrighty, so as you can see, it did a pretty darn good job. Like, you can see some of the actual color coming through. Like, I would use this. We're gonna do round 2 on this one. Pour in the soap. Pour in the beauty blender. Pour in more soap. Stir it up a little bit. And throw it in. God, I feel like I'm a fucking Top Chef. I'm like fucking Anthony from Queer Eye. Sorry, honey. What's on the menu? We have microwaved beauty blenders. They're super healthy and organic. Gluten-free, vegan. Yes, queen. Okay, so there's a couple, so these are my worst ones. And I definitely want to do these together. just to save time and energy. So here's what they look like. I don't know why it's not getting like as clean as the other one. Myth busted. Is that how they would do it on the Discovery Channel, babe?
I don't think so.
God, on Twitter she made it seem like it's a fucking... You pop it in the microwave and then it comes out and it's like, oh, brand fucking new. Bitch, where? Bitch, where? It's definitely cleaner than it was, but it's not some fucking magic beauty blender trick. So I have 4 left, 2 of the really bad ones. Yeah, no, they're all pretty bad. So I'm gonna see if I can do 4 at a time. Science. God, her directions were not good. She said do 1 minute. Okay, well, is that for 1 blender? Because I got 4 in there right now. Should I do 4 minutes? We'll do 2. Exhausted. This is exhausting. I expected more. She fucking stuck them in there, pulls them out. Bitch, they look fucking brand fucking new. I don't think so. I don't think so. But I need more direction. Oh wow, the water is bubbling. Girl, I'm making hard-boiled eggs right here. Wow, they do look a lot cleaner. Oh fuck. So let's dry these off. They do look a lot better. Alrighty, so one thing that I have found to be helpful is that when they're all moist, you just rub them on the paper towel and it helps get a lot of the makeup off. Kind of like this. Squeeze them out, rub them. Wow, this one looks really good. Holy shit, this is exhausting. Alrighty, so 1 roll of paper towel. Later, we have our beauty blenders. See, here they are. You can't really see a lot of the discoloration just due to the color of the lighting under here. But I feel like these 2 turned out the best. Alrighty, so we are all done. Now, the only 2 that I really thought turned out really good were these 2. But they're a lot cleaner than they were. It literally looked like magic. It looked like she popped it in, popped it out, and looked perfect. Well, it wasn't that easy, number 1. Number 2, they didn't really look like that. Most people aren't disgusting like me, so maybe it would work better for people like that. No, you have to, it's exhausting. But I think these 2 turn out really well, and I think that if I consistently do this process, I think it would work. Not as well as the picture. But girl, nothing turns out like the picture. Alrighty guys, well that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment down below. All my social media will be linked in the description box. You can hit me up on there. And I hope you guys have a great fucking day.